Where's 57646? Taking the local? Because that's his job? Well, still, he should be back by now. Well, considering the line's long as hell, it will take him. No, because this behavior is just unacceptable. Why does he always take this long? Maybe because he doesn't rough ride like a reckless bastard? 57642? You better watch your tongue with me, because I will kick your. Oh, time. Hold that away, you bastard. You're kidding me, I'm migrating. Oh, dear lady. Not here. Don't you get snappy at me, bitch boy. I'm already mad enough as it is. Now, if you bastards will excuse me, I have work to do.